Hello, hello. Well, welcome once again. I'm preparing always. I'm making sure we give you the best, at Conscientious Capital Insight. Our desire and our vision is to make sure we get you financially free. The best place to get your educational investment is at Conscientious Capital Insight because all we care about is your success. All we care about is your success. I remain myself, Namso Christopher Aldo, but you can call me Coach Zeal. Yeah, today we are going to be talking about, you know, uh, getting your markup lines, getting your market structure, the trend lines, how to enable you trade in the zone effectively. That's just what we're going to be discussing today in brief. And our pair today is Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Um, I always recommend you use the line chart, so you can be able to get your main points, yeah, your main points, you know, and for you to get your main point, the line chart is the best because it shows the close at candles. It shows the close at candles, which is one of the most points we should be looking at when drawing our markup for a very good and effective zone. So, and this is going to be more educational to, profitable to newbies, though so many people too don't know how to make their markup. And I just want you to pay a very close attention and see what we're going to be doing on the screen. So, and the critical point, is what you should be looking at when you come on a line chart. Currently, this is where our price is. This is where our price is. So always remember to make sure that you get the most recent high, the most recent high. Yeah, you see, this is the most recent high here. But to get a more perfect uh, most recent high, let's take it a bit above, because it's a critical point. If you can see, we have uh, 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 we have uh, we have rejection here. We have rejection at this point, rejection at this point, rejection at this point. So this point has made it has made this our, our most recent high a very critical point. If you can see, it serves as a price floor and equally serve as price ceiling on many occasions. You can see the points. You can see the points. Okay, let me mark up the points for you to see. Oh, just want us to get a clear picture of what we're talking about, you know. At this point, as you can see, at this point, let me make it red. It can be more pronounced. Yeah. You see, at this point, it serves as the price flow. Same here at this point. Price respect this point. Here it serves as price ceiling here. Okay. it serves as price ceiling here. It serves as price ceiling here as well. So you can see what we're talking about. This, even at this point, it also served as price floor, as a support. Yeah, it serves as a support here, here at this 3 point. At this point, it serves as a resistance at this 3 point. So you see, this has made our our markup here a very critical point, a very effective point, because we are able to the point is able to serve as a support, as a resistance, as a support and resistance. So also we get the most recent critical low. Let's see where we're gonna mark up. Yeah, this is not a bad point as well, but let's see if we're gonna get the most recent critical point. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, let's make this more pronounced. So as you can see clearly, our price respects this flow, and this very markup served as support here, and as resistance in these two places. Let me just use a single arrow on this. You know, it serves as a price flow here and as a price ceiling in these 2 points, and in this other point again it serves as um, a support, you know, as a resistance in these 2 points, and as a support in these 2 points, as resistance in these 2 points. You see, these are very critical point, very, very critical point that we should be looking at a price to drive to. So I'm gonna get this arrows off. I love to have a very clean chart. Hope you ain't gonna find it difficult again, you know, getting your most critical recent points, uh, or markup, or the most critical horizontals. Yeah. So now we're gonna move further to get mark some other critical points as well, you know. So the next point, yeah, this is a very nice, a very wonderful point too. And you can see it serves as a resistance here, as a support here, as a resistance here, as a resistance here, as a resistance here. This is a very critical point as well, a very nice one. And okay, let's differentiate our most recent um, highs and these other points here, like making this one a bit thin. All right, so we keep on marking our critical points. You know, this is very essential trading in the zone. Okay, you see, uh, this point is also a very great point, you know, to look up to. As you can see, how price is respected this uh, uh, horizontal as well. So we keep on marking up. Yeah, don't feel so discouraged to mark as many as you can. Let's say you should be able to have up to. It's not bad if you have up to 7 lines on your chart. It's not too much. It's gonna help you on how to where to place your your stop loss and take profit. As you can see, this is a very wonderful critical point too as well. It is this at this point price respected this horizontal as a support, as a support, as a resistance, as a support, as a support. So let's keep moving. Yeah, let's have a final markup. Yeah, this let's just I always love to see to draw horizontals where I can be able to have not a minimum of uh three critical points, linked to the horizontals, you know. But in this case, let's just because of uh the space we have here, we can just consider this as well, but it's not a very strong point because we are only having price respect it twice here um, as a resistance, and it has a resistance. To make a very vertical, a horizontal, sorry, critical is when it serves as a support and as a resistance. Then it's become a very critical horizontal, very critical point. So this all we are gonna be marking out on this pair euro JPY. I believe you grasp the whole idea on how to draw your zones. We call these zones as well because they are points where price respects. As you can see, if you can drop back to a previous point, you will see how price has respected this point. And this instance. So when the price pull out of these very zones, that's how we go about, as we drive the trend, we keep on drawing more support and resistance as the price make move forward. So don't always uh, forget, always have this at the back of your mind, get this written in your heart that the forex trading market move in 3 ways. It moves in 3 ways. It moves downward, horizontally, and upward. These are the 3 ways the forex market flow. It flows in 3 distinct directions: downward, sideways, upward. As you can see, downward, sideways, and upward. These are the 3 direction the forex trading market move. Is very, very, get this jokes down, get this written down. Is very, very, very critical point to note. Very, very critical point. It's going to help you, ripping the pips down into your account. So don't always and ever forget this. So now we're gonna get our candle back. We're gonna get our candles back, so you can see how the price goes. If you are able to get which horizontal is the most stronger, so it will enable you to know where to place your stop loss and your take profit and entry. To help you to make your entry. As you can see, price is being rejected right currently. At this point, is a very good point to enter the market after this. If this candle, this current candle, let me give it a little bit. Let me zoom in a bit. Let's zoom this a bit. If this candle happens to close like this, I will go for a sell. If this candle close this way, I will go for a sell because it has indicated a very strong rejection at this very horizontal, which is a very critical point. I will go for a sell because it's gonna, if it ends like this, gonna probably produce an inverted hammer. Yeah, an inverted hammer or a dragonfly. You know, sorry. So this is a very strong signal for a sell if eventually this very candle close like this. If it close like this, it signal a very strong sell. As you can see, it has respected, is respecting this very point, this very horizontal. So what you do next is to go for a sell. But wait, you have to wait until this candle finally close because we are working on our chart, hourly chart. This candle is going to close when it's 9, when it's an hour, you know, if it close giving a very strong wick, or it close giving a very a signal, inverted hammer, or a dragonfly, you know, as the case may be, leaving a very strong wick or a tail, as you may decide to call it, you know, it signals a very strong sell. You go for a sell. Your stop loss is going to be somewhere a little bit higher above the wick, and you can decide to make this next available horizontal, you take profits. You see how easy it is. This is how easy it is. This is how easy it is. So you can, to draw your trend line, you pick this, picking from this point, you can easily draw your line, your trend line. Here, you can easily draw your trend line. As you can see, this trend line enable you to know the direction currently the market is heading. Is an uptrend, but based on the formation of this candle, it signal that the trend is about to change. The trend is about to change. The trend is about to change, as you can see. And for those who have watched and my previous video, you see, for those who have watched my previous, you can be able to see that this is a smart money signal that has formed, a smart money signal. And remember, wow, this is just a very strong sell signal, a very strong sell signal, as you can see here. So you can see here, remember my last video. If you're here to watch my last video, go watch my last video. If you're here to watch my last video, go watch it. You can see, you can just see how the whole thing line up, fall into place. You can just see how it all fall into place. This is a smart money signal formed already, and the Arcanus, our price is respecting the horizontal, and it's just so perfect, just so perfect line up for you to go for a sell. This is a sell, a clear sell. You know, though not 100% that this is forex trading. You know, you can't just say a signal is 100% assured it's gonna go, but believe me, this is over 90 that this is a sell signal. Take this to bank. Yeah. So I just want to make this video as short as possible. You know, so just stay in touch, and expect the next video. It's gonna be wow. It's gonna be very informative. Do not forget, go to Consent Shares inside, go to a portal, and make sure you invest in the right multiple opportunities. We are having line up so many opportunities for you. We're giving you this to enable you that know and understand that all we care about is your success. All we care about is your success as CCI. All we care about is your success. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.